to have him. Tonight, we are so happy to have him train us, and is going to teach us Fibonacci retracement. How do we use Fibonacci retracement? Believe me, if only you master how to use this, you are going to be trading like a Wall Street champion, because every trader is looking at these Fibonacci levels and they make their decisions to buy or to sell using the Fibonacci. So guys, I'm so happy as I welcome a great leader, a V2 already in this business, a person who has mastered the game, a person who has helped us make a lot of money through trades. Ladies and gentlemen, just with thumbs up in the comment section, just welcome Mr. Dose to come and train us. Mr. Dose, you're welcome. We are so happy to have you. The floor is yours, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dr. Orang. I'm glad also to be part of you tonight. Everywhere you are very well. You are highly welcome wherever you are. Good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to the evening call. My name is Nkesi Gadeusi, common known as MRD, your friend. Today we are going to talk about Fibonacci line, and if we take it as serious, we will enjoy together. We will enjoy together. That's what I can assure you, that we will not cry again. But the problem, you share the signals. Another one is trying to, after getting a profit, is also engaging in the trade again. So I don't know. I don't know how we will handle this, but I'm sure if we keep learning, the skills will help us to achieve our goals. So I think let us start straight away. Let me think everyone is having the Tradingview in his phone or her phone. We are going to start with the settings of Fibonacci, and we analyze. Then we go through about the Fibonacci tool. Okay, I think I'm host. Is it okay, Mr. Fred? Okay, let me share screen straight away. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Or I'm talking alone?
No, we are together, sir.
Okay. Let's follow these settings, and we make sure that we all have this Tradingview in our phones. This is our Tradingview. It looks like this. Okay, it is like this. So as you see here, I want also to manage this as well. I have also come to know it. So when you see here at the top, there is those arrows. One is pointing up, another one is pointing down. When you press on them, they will always arrange the coin accordingly how the coins are performing. When you press on them once, you will see the coin that are performing very well. They will be at the top. When you press it again, then you will see the coins that are performing badly in the market. Okay. Now, we are going to set our Tradingview using our tool, which is Fibonacci. As you see, my screen is empty, is not having any indicator. So we are going to set it together today. So let's all watch here. Let's all watch here. We are going to press here on plus. Okay. Now we look up, we press here on the word indicators. Here, as you see, indicators, you press it. So when you press it, it will come this side. There is a button of search at the top. So you search any Fibonacci tool you want to use. So for this matter, we want to use Fibo. You call it Fibo, you can call it Fibo, but when you type Fibo, it will bring these different words. But we are interested in auto Fibo retracement. So make sure when you don't have this X here, when you don't have this star, this star, press it such that it can look like that in yellow color. That means the Fibo retracement will be added on your favorite side. You get? When you press that star, it will be added automatically on your favorite, such that when you whenever you want to use it, it will be very easy for you to find it very quickly. So after finding it, you press on it once. We press on auto fib retracement updated once. When you press it once, you come here at the top, at the right top corner, there is X. You press it. We can find it here. Okay, we can find it here. You press X, such as that we go back to our chart. No, now our chart is here. The Fibo is now here, is already in press now. But I know some of you, they say the yours will not be look like mine at the moment. I know yours, the values are on this side. The values are on this side. So we are going to look into the settings such as that it can be also look like mine. Okay. So when you look here at the top, you will see this word. Okay, you will see this word. So you press on it. You press on it. When you press on it, it will show you these symbols. Now, what you do, you will look at settings. This one, the settings. So you press on it. Okay, it will take you this side now. Now, when you look through, our focus should be here. There is a word, show levels. Show levels, ladies and gentlemen. We have to change that word in the bracket, in the square, like here. This word is called percent. We have to change it. Yours will be having values like this. It will be like this, values. Now, we have to change these values into percentages because we are interested in percentages. In Fibonacci lines, we use percentages, not values. So let's change this word into percentage. Now, another thing, you come here as well. You come here where there is right, okay? There is the word, the label positions, labels position. Now, yours will be having a left, I think. Yes, it will be left. So you change it to right, okay? Okay, now another settings here, you go down slowly, down at the bottom. Yours will be not having this one. Make sure you tick this box, okay? Another one is here. Then another one is here. There are 3 boxes. So make sure you tick them. Negative 0.236, then negative 0.382. Then another one, the last one is negative 0.618. Okay. Now we are done with settings. From here, come here down. Come here down. There is 3 dots here. You will press it. You will press it, ladies and gentlemen. Then it will show you these words, reset settings, then save as default. But we are interested in save as default. So make sure you press that word, save as default. So after saving, you'll come here and press OK. In front of cancel, there is OK. When you press OK, your trading view will look like this. Okay. Let me remove these lines as well. Okay. Okay, it will look like this. Make sure it looks like this. Now, let's all switch to CRV. Let's look for the coin called CRV. When you don't know how to look for the coin, maybe you don't have CRV in your trading view. Here, there's a search button at the top, or you can even use, okay, here at the top, there is search button, or else you can even scroll down. There is the word add, okay, add symbol. When you press it, when you press add symbol, it will come here at this page. Then you come at the top, there is a search also. So you write there CRV, but make sure when you are writing these coins, make sure you put USDT. Okay. Now, another thing, you look where there is Binance. In front of that coin, there it will be showing Binance. So at the moment, mine is here at the top. It is CRV USDT. Then in front of it, there is Binance. So I will press it. So it will automatically come here on my trading view. Then I will press on it. Okay, I will press on it now. Okay. Now, today, we are going to look, okay, let me bring here my pens. Okay. Now, we have 3 types of trends. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, and we have side wave or ranging market. So at the moment in Fibonacci, it can identify us which trend are we in. Okay, which trend are we in? Okay, when you look here on our trading view, the 100% is down. Okay, then 0 is up. Ladies and gentlemen, when you see this sign, the 100 is down and 0% is up, you know that is uptrend. Uptrend. When 100 is down, then 0 is up. That is uptrend. Okay. Now, when we are in uptrend, the dotted line, I don't know where whether you are all seeing this dotted line. It is around here. Okay. This dotted line, it is showing us the uptrend. It is showing us that the previous trend was uptrend. That's why it is showing us. It is showing us 100 at the bottom, then 0 at top. Okay, meaning the previous trend was uptrend. You get, I think you are getting me. Okay. Now, I want you to focus on this. Take note. Okay. When we are in uptrend, the coin comes from here at 100 line. Okay. The previous, I'm talking about previous trend. Okay. It comes from here on 100% up to here. After touching on the 0 line, then it comes down. Okay, it comes down. Okay, it comes down comes down. Okay. Now, our focus, when you see this type of trend, our focus should be always here, ladies and gentlemen. When you see, when you find this coin, it has already touched on zero line at the top. Now, and you feel like you want to trade this coin. Now, remember in the market, they say, we have point A, okay? We have point A here at 100. We have point B here at 0%. Now, this is the distance from here up to here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, in the market, they say the distance moved from point A to point B, okay? For this coin to continue moving up to break the support line of 0, it has to first retrace 50%, ladies and gentlemen, for it to continue moving up. So whenever you find here at the top, whenever you find this coin here, okay, B, okay, whenever you find it at point B, your target should be, your target area should be this area of 50 and 61%. So, meaning that this market will have to retrace up to this percentage, okay? It has to first retrace for it to continue moving up. You get it? So your preset should be always here around this area. Knowing that this market will retrace 50% of the distance moved from point A to point B. Now, when we are presetting at this area, our take profit should be always 2 lines. Okay, let me show you. Okay, when you want to measure the percentage, you come here at the pen down. There is a pen. You press it. Okay, then we get price range. We get price range. Okay, now I may decide to put my preset price in between these 2 lines, line of 50 and line of 61. But remember, this works when we are in uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. So you press here, you put your accounts here, and I press once on my screen, then I drag. Remember, I told you 2 lines are enough, okay? You get it? So this is 2%. This is 2%. My take profit will be 2%. Then I will get out from market. You get? I will get out from market and I will wait for this coin to dip again. Okay? After here, this area, after this area, this coin, when it fails to break this line of 0, meaning we are coming down. You get? We are coming down at 100% line. Okay? So after taking profit around this area, your preset, another preset, it should be around this area of 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't chase the market, okay? After taking your profit, you should cool and wait for the market to cool and come back. You get? Remember, we buy low, we sell high. Why do you buy high to sell high? How sure are you that the market will continue moving up? So our target should be always, after taking your profit, cool and wait for the market to come back down. Then what you do, you preset, okay? You preset around this area already. Here, as we are sure that this market will also will retrace up to this line of 100. Okay. Now, what if market fails after reaching on 100% and it continues going down. Okay, let us see how we can do this. Okay, now the market have failed completely. It is going down. Okay, now assume that your preset was around this area. Okay, was around this area, and this coin refused to do what? To give you your profit around this line. It continues dipping. What you do, you will calculate the line is below 100%. You will calculate the line is below 100%. What am I meaning? Okay, you just, let's do this. Okay, like this. Now we are focusing on these lines: 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning I can decide to do 4 margin calls. You get? I can decide to do 4 margin calls in case I said in case. Okay, I'll come here and I measure again. Okay, I'll come here and I measure again. Which percentage is from down here where I expect that the market can go here. Okay, it is showing me 60%. You get? 60%. Now, I'll first ask myself, how much balance am I having? Okay, then I'll consider my balance. I calculate, I will get my 60. Okay, let me show you. I'll get 60%. I divide by, let's say 10. Okay, then the percentage I get, that's what I will set in my margin call drop. Are we together? So I will set that percentage drop because I know this coin will not exceed this line. Okay, this coin will not exceed this line. So there I will be safe, this line. As you see, now it reached here. Now it is coming up. It is coming up. Okay, so there I will be safe. Why? I will not be in floating loss for the whole week. Okay, because I bought my coin in real time. Okay, in real time. Make sure you always follow the steps of the Fibonacci, because when now when you say that you want to understand all this line, you'll be confused for nothing. Our focus, let's always be on 0%, 161, -61, and the last point, which is here down. The last point is here. Okay, it is here at the bottom. Okay, so meaning we have the major points are how many? 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have only 5 major points where we can be sure that the trade will always respect those support areas. Okay, so when coin is not around those areas, I'm requesting you, don't engage yourself in the trade. Wait for the trade to retrace or to be in the real to be in the what? In our targets of 0, 100, 61, -61, and the last one, which is 423%. Okay, when you buy in those areas, you will never be in floating loss for a week. You know, we can't avoid floating loss, ladies and gentlemen. I'm seeing on group when we get into floating loss for like 3 days, people are starting crying. Remember, in the business we are in, this is the business we are in. The coin must be always going down, going up, going down, going up. So that's how the market is. It is always moving like that. So now, the question may come at the moment, how can I trade this coin? At the moment, how can I trade this coin? Okay, you always follow the previous trend and drawing your supports and resistance. Like yesterday, Mr. Fred Orang taught us how to draw the supports and resistance. You get? So when you draw those lines, it will always help you when to enter the market and when to get out from the market. Okay, now at the moment when I scroll behind, okay, I'll look at this support here, okay. It is a strong support. You see, it is a strong support. So I'll draw my line there, okay. I'll draw my line there, okay. Now this is the biggest support. You see, it has been dipping up to this level, then it bounces back. Okay, so I'll follow. Where are we now? Okay, you see, we are around here. We are around here. We are around this area. Okay, and our support is around this area. So you see, this coin comes down and it kisses our line. Okay, we call it kissing. When it fails to cross above that line, it the candle kissed the line, then it went back again. Okay, now I'll wait for this coin to come and cross above this line. Okay, that's when I will enter this market. If it's not that, I will not enter. Okay, I'll wait for it up to this level again. If it fails, okay, this line, I will be very, very patient with it up to this line. If it's not like that, then I will look for another coin. So don't be on one coin always that me, I have to trade SHIB, it has been performing well. No, your focus should be always in our areas, in our target, where our target is, that I told you. Your task is to look for coin that is in around those areas. Now, I wanted to look and maybe I see whether I can get the coin that is in a downtrend, that is having different lines. Okay. Oh, let me see at the bottom. Okay. Now, for example, this one, this coin is in a downtrend. Why? The zero is down, okay? The zero line is down. As you see here, the zero line is down. Then 100% is up, okay? 100% is up. Hope you are seeing. Okay, like here, let me rub this one. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, our 0% is here, then 100 is here. This coin is in a downtrend. You see dotted line is in, like this, it is facing this side. The uptrend will be like this, okay? Now this is the downtrend. Okay, when we are trading in downtrend, okay, when we are trading in downtrend, I'll show you. I will show you how to trade in a downtrend as well. Okay, you see, we follow our supports and resistance as well. Let me first rub this. Disturbing me here. Okay, now we have the negative 61. As I told you, you see, we are around this area. Our zero is here. Now, someone entered here at zero, and now it is in floating loss like of 20% from here up to here. As I told you, when you enter from zero and you see the coin is trying to move down, always measure which percentage is from the last price, from the last percentage up to zero. I'm meaning what? I'm meaning from here at negative 61 up to this line where you entered from. Which percentage is there? When you get that percentage, you divide it accordingly, the money you have on balance. If we want to take 10 margin, it's okay. If we want to take 5 margin calls, it's okay. You get? It's okay. You will get the percentage you get from here, negative 6 up to 0. You divide by the margin calls you want. Then you go in your ratio, you set your margin calls accordingly. You get? So you will not be in floating loss for a week. I'm assuring you. When you enter from these lines that I'm telling you to use always. So don't chase a trade. Wait for the trade to reach in our areas. That's when you have to enter the trade. Ladies and gentlemen, I think as per now, we can follow this. Where you don't understand, you are allowed to ask any question, then I can answer you very well. Thank you for listening. I'm waiting for your questions now.
Wow, thank you so much, Mr. Deus. It is a pleasure learning from you.